Hi kitty cats! So today I'm going to show you the Boxycharm. I wonder what I got this month. Ooh. The theme is spellbound. Lots of candles. And crystals. Sorry, not like, hey. Adhesive liquid liner. Okay. This is from Appeal Cosmetics. It's $29. This is the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. That's what I thought. So it's a liner that's also a glue so that you can put your lashes like right on them. Get it out here. So that's something for me to try. I haven't been wearing lashes like I did a few years ago, but I have a lot of them, and so I should use them. So this will be good. That's a good start. And then we've got Tresluce Beauty. Tresluce. I'm not sure how to say this right. This is a brush set. How much is it usually? It is a brush set worth $27. So how many brushes are in here? Okay. They're soft. Oh! They had a little silica gel thing in there. That's unusual. Okay. They seem decent. I'm always looking for eye brushes to pack on eyeshadow. Most of the eye brushes you get, though, are for blending and not really for packing stuff on. But these are pretty, though, huh? Pretty color. I really like the color that they chose, this blue. I don't know if I'm gonna make it through this. It seems my battery's dying. I didn't charge it, and that was a mistake. Let's try and get through this if we can. Oh, a pair of eyelashes from, what's the name of this company? I'm not sure. Oh, it's the Chimera Unique Beauty. This is $25 lashes. Let's see. Those are pretty. And then we've got...
Anything for me?
No. I'm sure things you'd like to steal, but... This is Tarte C Wink of H2O. This is $35 usually. This is an eye cream. So... there's that. And then last of all is, and this is what I was hoping I would get, because not everybody always gets the same things with these. The Ace Beauty Falling For You eyeshadow palette. Look at that. Oh, so pumpkin spicy. I love it. I'm definitely gonna use this soon. I love the Ace Beauty stuff, like, all the time, because I think Ace Beauty is pretty awesome, but it's kind of pricey for me. So I'll be trying out these brushes soon, too. I do love the color of these brush handles. They're very pretty. And the eyeliner. So, yeah. Everything's definitely altogether more than worth it, you know, because it's like a $25 box, and several of these things were over $25. The palette is a $34.99 palette. The most expensive thing in here was the eye cream. The eye cream was the most expensive thing, but everything is like $25 or over, so Spellbound. Pretty cool box. I'm very happy with it. Sorry, my battery is dying, so bye-bye, kitty cats. Be safe. Mwah.